Ji, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. Today I have chosen the topic IELTS. As all of you know, IELTS stand for International English Language Testing System, a test which is taken by British Council. And this test is very important, internationally recognized, and the students who are going for immigration or for suppose for the study visas to UK, they have to pass this IELTS examination. So IELTS stands for International English Language Testing. And this is the book. You can see the like a model of the book, and there are 17 books of IELTS. Usually, we see that the students who have taken their IELTS test, uh, they tend to take low bands. What is the reasons? Let me tell you very clearly and frankly that IELTS is not a test of speaking only. There are four modules. One is listening, the other is reading, next writing and speaking. So if you're expert in writing, then you can clear all these examinations. Writing task, there are two writing tasks in IELTS examinations, and you have to spend 1 hour and you have to attempt them. Then there is a reading task. Reading is actually a comprehension. Comprehension means understanding of a topic, and then the questions are given at the end of the topics. So if you're interested in IELTS, you can make a contact to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.